Welcome to Croatia, a country rich in culture, diversity and mouth-watering cuisine. Join us on a journey as we explore the vibrant tapestry of Croatian life. Croatian culture is a beautiful blend of influences from its diverse history, including Roman, Venetian and Ottoman. From the lively folk dances to the haunting melodies of traditional music, the spirit of Croatia is alive with celebration and heritage. But what truly brings people together in Croatia is the love for food. Croatian cuisine is a reflection of its regional diversity, with each area offering its own unique flavors and specialties. From the coastal delights of fresh seafood, like black risotto and grilled octopus, to the hearty inland fare of roasted meats and savory stews, every bite tells a story of tradition and passion. But it's not just about the food, it's about the experience of sharing it with loved ones. Croatians take pride in their hospitality, welcoming guests with open arms and treating them to a feast of flavors and laughter. In Croatia, culture, people and cuisine come together to create an unforgettable experience. So come, indulge your senses and discover the magic of this enchanting country.